I have a January giveaway with Sky High. To enter, use discount code JacobViral at skyhighcardio.com for a chance to win this speaker swag package valued over $700. All details in description. Good luck and enjoy the video.
So what all's in here real quick, man, for the video?
4 X15s,
okay.
2 base 8Ks wired at .45 inch.
0.45? Do you know your rise? How's it doing?
That I have no idea.
No clue? Okay.
2 to 1/4 order.
Wow. Big upgrade from last time I remember getting the demo.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Did you build the box?
No. I don't even know the person who built it.
Okay, no worries.
All I know is the name Scotty. That's
okay,
it.
All right. Do you know the specs on the enclosure, tuning?
I think it's tuning. I have no idea.
No clue?
That, bro.
Okay.
It's just something to get together real quick.
Yes, sir.
It was already built, so I was able to get it.
You're able to plug and play?
Yeah, basically.
Okay, all right. Oh, thank you. Thank you for the hair tricks.
Oh, you're welcome. I don't mind.
Yes, ma'am. Some people don't like it. It really messes your hair up. Yeah.
I purposely got it this color just for Slamfest. I need to redo my hair color.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Marissa.
Marissa. Okay.
I'm his girlfriend.
Okay.
So I'm Mrs. Hydro.
Mrs. Hydro. Yeah, I do YouTube videos, so I like to check them out.
Were you here last year?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that's why I remember you. That's why.
I just want to.
Made me sneeze, thank you. Woo. That was a high note.
She's not one I want a sequel, she's not two and want a threesome, she's not three lines, yellow Jesus. When I bust out, yo, you freak her. When I bust out, yo, you freak her. When she bust, she up for Jesus, drop her off at the cathedral. She come back with a bunch of singles. All the tallies with the landlord, all the water grass, breaking blade of blood out the wall. Two keys of that people. call him Justin, man, just standing sipping on an Angelina. I'm no profile in the beamer.
Thanks for the demo, man. Nice to meet you again. Appreciate it, man. Really musical too, dude. Yeah, it sounds great.
Low, ho, you got to go, ho. I'm on the road, ho. High profile, moving work on the low. Smoking OG, girl, you gotta go. No, you ain't on, girl, you gotta know. Got it backward, girl, you kinda slow. Just say.
This way.
Yeah, face this
Bless you.
Made me sneeze. Thank you.
You're welcome. She's not two and want a threesome. She's not three lines, yellow Adidas. When I bust, I yell Eureka. When I bust, I yell Eureka. When she bust, she yell for Jesus. Drop her off at the cathedral. She come back with a bunch of singles. Phones are tallies with the legal. Also better dress. Two keys of that beaver, call him Justin, man, just standing sipping on an Angelina. I'm no profile in the beaver with a sour cookie street. Spend some money on my
threesome. She snort 3 lines, yellow Adidas. When I bust, I yell Eureka. When I bust, I yell Eureka. When she bust, she yell for Jesus. Drop her off at the cathedral. She come back with a bunch of singles. Pause her tallies with the
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.